Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. I hope you had a great weekend. I just wanted to do a quick update video for my tech tip for today on the video from Friday, in which I talked about Zoom's automatic video recording transcription feature. If you didn't watch that, basically, if you record Zoom meetings to the cloud, then basically Zoom will transcribe the audio from those meetings automatically if you have that setting enabled. I'll throw a link to that video in the description if you want to check that out. Now, I recorded the Zoom meeting that I used as a test for the tech tip around 12:30 or so on Friday. And I made the tech tip video around 1:15 and the transcription wasn't available. So I waited a little while. According to this Zoom article, it says you'll receive an email a short time later. So I waited around for that email. The email came through at 4:30. So it took 4 hours for a 14-second Zoom meeting to get transcribed. Now, I don't know if Zoom's servers were just being a little sluggish that day or it really does take that long, but until I play with this a little bit more, my recommendation is if you need the transcription from a meeting, you're going to probably have to wait 24 hours, especially if it's a long meeting. You know, again, it may have just been a fluke that day. Maybe under normal circumstances, it transcribes much faster. I don't know, but it seems like it's pretty slow. So, you know, if you need a transcription urgently, just be prepared. You're going to have to wait a good couple hours for that to come through. So I'll continue to play with this. I'll do a bit of, I actually have a Zoom meeting today, so I'm going to test that and I'll update you on Wednesday. But that's all I've got for you today. I just wanted to do a quick update. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you found it helpful. As always, hit that subscribe button. I release new tech tips every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 2 p.m. And check out the DAE.com for our full list of online workshops, private lessons, and all the other cool stuff that we do. And if you have an idea for a tech tip you'd like to see me create, throw it in the comments, and I'll do my best. Thanks, and have a great day.